Hi, welcome to Techie Dialogue. In today's tutorial, I'm going to walk you through the steps of changing the input in FL Studio 24. If you're looking to set up your microphone or other audio input devices, this video is for you. Don't forget to subscribe so you never miss a new tutorial. Step 1. First, head over to the Options menu in FL Studio. From there, click on Audio Settings. In the Audio Settings window, you'll see a section for Input. Here, set the input to your microphone or audio interface. This tells FL Studio which device to use for recording. Step 2. Next, make sure your sample rate is set to 48,000. This will give you the best quality while recording and mixing. After that, increase the buffer length to reduce latency and avoid any recording issues. A higher buffer length gives your computer more time to process the audio, which is particularly helpful if you're running other programs alongside FL Studio. Thank you for watching. I hope this tutorial helped you set up your input in FL Studio 24. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more helpful tips.